Hello everybody, and thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be demonstrating a DIY on how to change the front turn signals on a 2015 RX350 F Sport. As you can see, I already have the Phillips bulb in there, which is a 7443A amber for the front turn signals. But the only problem is that it's hyper flashing, so I'm going to demonstrate on how to fix that as well. In order to get to the bulb, you got to remove 4 clips on this panel. So just all you got to do is just press it down. You'll hear a click, so it should be loosened after that. So there should be 4 clips. I already moved the other ones already, and up there. Just remove the panel off. Alright, so in order to move the bulb in the car, it'll be located, I don't know if you guys can see it. It'll be this one right here. The gray, the light gray looking one. So all you gotta do is just twist the bulb. Then it should slide right out. And there we have it. The Phillips 7443A I installed earlier. So in order if you want to change the bulb, not to LED, just your regular amber, all you gotta do is just pull it out. It'll come straight out, then just put on the other bulb. Then it'll just do the job. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how the hyper flash will look like. And for a future YouTube video, I will be demonstrating a DIY on how to change your side mirrors from the halogen bulb to the LED bulb. Here's a quick look. There you go. It's very bright. Alright. So I'm just going to turn the ignition on. And then I'll turn the signal. As you can see, it's hyper flashing. And then there you go. So next step is we're gonna stop this from hyper flashing with load resistors. So as you can see, the hyper flash has now stopped by using this load resistor. As of the load resistor, just keep it cautious, it could get really hot, so I'll be planting it on metal later on the wall there. And then as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but for Toyota Lexus, the black and white wire is normally the negatives, which means the other colors, like right here, it's green color, that'll be the positive. So on the low resistor, you got the black and red end. So the black, I'll be soldering it to the black and white. And the red wire on the low resistor, I'll be soldering it to the green wire. Alright, so after putting everything back together, the hyper flash is now stopped. I hope you find my video very helpful, and I'll be posting more in the future. Thank you.